Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace an Audi Q7 wiper arm. First, let's gather our tools. You'll need a small flathead screwdriver, a socket wrench, and possibly a wiper arm puller. Before starting, mark the wiper's resting position on your windshield with tape. This helps with correct alignment later. Then, gently pry off the small plastic cap at the base of the wiper arm to expose the retaining nut. Now let's remove the old arm. Using your socket wrench, typically a 13 or 16 millimeter, carefully loosen and remove the nut. If the arm is stubborn, a little penetrating spray can help. Gently wiggle the arm to free it from the spline shaft. For very stuck arms, a specialized wiper arm puller will make this step much easier and prevent damage. With the old arm off, it's time for the new one. Carefully place the new wiper arm onto the spline post, aligning it with the mark you made earlier. This ensures proper resting position. Hand tighten the retaining nut, then use your socket wrench to secure it firmly. The recommended torque is typically around 25 foot-pounds for front arms, or 12 Newton-meters for rear arms, ensuring a secure fit. Almost done. Snap the plastic cap back over the retaining nut. Now, close your vehicle's hood and turn on the ignition. Activate the wipers to ensure they operate smoothly and return to their correct resting position. If the alignment is off, simply repeat the removal and installation steps, making small adjustments until it's perfect. You've successfully replaced your Audi Q7 wiper arm.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.